Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a balloon hand. Let's get started. You will need two balloons for modeling, size 260, color beige or nude. Pre-stretch the balloon and inflate it with 2.5 pumps. Make a bubble 15 centimeters in size, then make 3 pinches the size of 2 fingers. The length of the second bubble should be 18 centimeters. Twist the bubble, make a knot and cut off the excess part. These are 2 fingers, these are the ring finger and the middle finger. So let's continue. Stretch the second balloon and inflate it with 5 pumps. Now I'm making a pinky. I make a bubble 7 centimeters long and a pinch the size of 2 fingers. After that, press the balloon a little and give it an arc-shaped shape. Put little finger to your ring finger as shown in the video. Next, make a bubble the size of 8 fingers and a pinch the size of 2 fingers. The length of the bubble is 14 centimeters. The next bubble will be almost 2 times smaller. You need to tightly grasp the first 2 fingers. After you have twisted the second bubble, fix it around the pinch which near the little finger. Now we make a small bubble and fix it to the first 3 pinches. The size of the bubble can be different. In my case, the size of the bubble is 4 centimeters. Similarly, I make a small bubble and fix it to the nearest pinch, so I formed a hand. And again, you need to make a short bubble and fix it around the pinch that is next to the little finger. Now I make a long bubble, fix it around the pinch. From the rest of the balloon, I make an index finger. Look, the rest of the balloon is too long. I'm reducing it so that visually this part looks like an index finger. You need to cut off the tails from fingers so that they look neat. All that remains is to make a thumb. I make this finger from the rest of the balloon. I inflate this balloon with half of the pump. I visually determine the size of thumb. Please note that the bubble should be soft. I make a knot and make a pinch twist the size of 2 fingers. The exact size of the thumb is 9 centimeters. Next, I twist 2 pinches together and cut off the extra part. If it seems to you that the thumb is not fixed tightly, you can make several turns around the pinches. Slightly bend fingers so that the hand looks like a living one. The hand is ready. Now I will decorate it a little. I use a black permanent water-based marker. The hand really turned out to be alive. It's unpleasant to share my experience and imagination with you. Thank you for watching us.